Hi, I'm Shikha. You're watching this video from justtutors.com. So today we are going to learn about cubes here, and in this video I'm going to give you some introduction about cube. So here, before that, there is a warm-up for you. What you can do, just pause the video, try these two questions. Assuming that you have done them, now we can discuss the answer. So here we need to find cube of 2. So here the cube of 2 is 8, as 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 8. And here we need to find the cube of 3, which is 27, as 3 times 3 times 3 will give you 27. And that's the answer. So if you got them as the answer, that's really wonderful. You're doing very well here. Now we can move further. So here, while we're learning about cubes, so if someone will ask you to find the volume of a cubical tank, then you should know some cubes. So therefore cube is really helpful in our real life too. So here, what is cube? A cube is a solid figure with all its sides equal. That is, the length, width and height, they all are equal here. And here, how we can find a cube? So a cube is a number multiplied by itself 3 times. So we can see some example from here. Number like 1, 8, 27, these are called cube numbers or perfect cube. So let us see what is perfect cube. So here, 1, which we can write as 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1 cube. So cube of 1 is 1 itself. And here, let's see the cube of 2. So cube of 2 is 8, as you multiply the number 3 times by itself. So let's see this example now. Is 9 a cube number? So here 9 is not a cube number, as 9 is 3 times 3, and there is no such natural number which multiplied by itself 3 times to give you 9. So here, cube of all the even numbers are even, like 4 cube, which is 64, which is again an even number. So now let us see this one example. So here is 729, a perfect cube. So here 729 we can write in this manner after prime factorization. So here, as you can see, there are in pair and no number is left. So a perfect cube factors can be grouped in triples in this manner. So therefore 729 is a perfect cube. So the answer here is yes. So now let's try one more example in this slide. So here we need to find is 135 a perfect cube. So 135 after prime factorization, we can see we can write in this manner: 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. So is it a perfect cube? It's not a perfect cube, as you can see 5 there left alone without any pair. So we can see only one pair there of 3. So here, after this, the answer is no first, and then if it is not, then we need to find the smallest natural number with which we can divide this so that the quotient is a perfect cube. So here 5 is left there alone, so if I'm going to divide this by 5, it will become a perfect cube because I'm only left with this. So if you're dividing this side by 5, you need to do the same here as well. So divide this by 5 and this will become 27 here. So here we just need to find the smallest number, and we got that, that is 5. So in this manner you can find many such answers for such questions. Now let us try a practice question here. Let's try number 1. So here is 25 a perfect cube? So again with the prime factorization method, let's see. So 25 we can write as 5 times 5. But I can see this is not a perfect cube, since there are one more 5 to make it a perfect cube. So it's not a perfect cube. Then we are going to multiply it by another 5 to make it a perfect cube. Same I need to do at that side. So here the smallest number by which it should be multiplied so the product is a perfect cube will be 5. So what you can do now, just pause the video, try rest of them. Assuming that you have done them, you can check your answer from this slide. So if you got them correctly, that's really amazing. You're doing very well here. Just call your parents and show your progress to them. So thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.